Boeing news. Boeing grounding and future updates. In late 2022, Boeing finally received approval from the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, to resume deliveries of the 787 Dreamliner after a lengthy review of the company's manufacturing processes and quality control systems. This was a significant milestone for Boeing, as deliveries of the wide-body jet had been halted for over a year due to various production issues and concerns raised by regulators. However, the company's struggles with the 737 MAX continued well into 2023. Despite the aircraft being cleared to fly again in most countries, Boeing faced lingering concerns from regulators, airlines, and the public about the safety of the MAX and the company's overall compliance and safety culture. Several major airlines, including Southwest and American, announced delays in returning the MAX to service, citing a need for further pilot training and public confidence-building measures. In early 2023, Boeing announced further delays in the certification and entry into service of the 777X, its next-generation wide-body aircraft. The program had already faced multiple setbacks due to technical issues and the COVID-19 pandemic's impact on the aviation industry. The new target date for the 777X's first delivery was pushed back to 2025, dealing another blow to Boeing's efforts to refresh its product lineup and regain market share from rivals like Airbus. Amidst these challenges, Boeing underwent a significant leadership change in mid-2023 when the company's board of directors ousted CEO David Calhoun, citing a need for fresh perspectives and a more decisive approach to addressing the company's issues. Calhoun's successor, a seasoned aerospace executive from outside Boeing, was tasked with accelerating the company's efforts to restore its engineering prowess, rebuild trust with regulators and customers, and chart a path for long-term sustainability and growth. Under the new CEO's leadership, Boeing announced a comprehensive restructuring plan aimed at streamlining operations, reducing costs, and refocusing the company's resources on its core commercial aircraft business. This included divesting from non-core divisions, consolidating manufacturing facilities, and implementing more stringent quality control measures across all production lines. In a bid to repair its relationship with the FAA and other regulators, Boeing also announced a series of initiatives to enhance transparency, increase oversight of its safety processes, and foster a more robust and proactive safety culture throughout the organization. These efforts included establishing an independent aviation safety advisory board and implementing new training programs for employees focused on regulatory compliance and ethical decision-making. Despite these moves, Boeing continued to face headwinds in the latter part of 2023, as the global aviation industry grappled with ongoing challenges related to the pandemic's lingering effects, supply chain disruptions, and economic uncertainties. Several major airlines deferred or cancelled orders for Boeing's aircraft, citing financial pressures and a need to conserve cash in the face of an uncertain recovery timeline. In response, Boeing doubled down on its efforts to reduce costs and improve efficiency, announcing further job cuts and facility closures. The company also explored new avenues for revenue generation, including expanding its services and aftermarket support offerings, and pursuing partnerships and joint ventures in emerging markets. As 2024 approached, Boeing's fortunes remained closely tied to its ability to regain the trust of regulators, airlines, and the flying public. While the company had taken significant steps to address its past missteps and position itself for a turnaround, the road ahead remained challenging, with intense competition from rivals like Airbus and the need to navigate an increasingly complex and volatile global economic landscape. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.